Let's create the creamy emerald delight roll. Begin by spreading approximately 4 ounces of sushi rice over a sheet of nori. Flip the nori and spread about 1.5 ounces of sushi rice on the other side. Layer on cooked asparagus, jalapeno slices, creamy cream cheese, and savory cooked soy sauce beef. Carefully roll the ingredients tightly using your hands, then use a bamboo mat to shape the roll. Thinly slice avocado using a sharp knife and delicately place the slices on top of the roll. Wrap the roll tightly with plastic wrap to shape it. Then cut into 12 equally enticing pieces. After cutting, use the excess plastic wrap to reshape the roll again using the bamboo mat. For better presentation, use spicy mayo and sriracha to draw on the plate before arranging the pieces on it. Drizzle each piece with spicy mayonnaise and sriracha. It's now ready to serve. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you very much for your support.